Hey there, Pueblo, Colorado residents. Are you dealing with a damp or flooded basement? One common culprit could be a failing sump pump. Sump pumps are essential for keeping your basement dry by diverting accumulated water away from your home. However, they can fail due to power outages, improper installation, or mechanical issues. Let's dive into why sump pump failure is a common issue and what you can do to fix it. Sump pumps can fail for several reasons. One of the most common causes is power outages. During heavy storms, when your sump pump is needed the most, power outages can leave it unable to operate. Without a backup power source, your basement is at risk of flooding. Improper installation is another frequent issue. If the sump pump is not installed correctly, it might not be able to handle the volume of water it needs to, or it could be positioned incorrectly, causing it to fail when you need it most. Mechanical issues are also common. Over time, parts can wear out, float switches can get stuck, or debris can clog the pump, preventing it from functioning properly. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your sump pump works when you need it. So what can you do if your sump pump fails? Here's a quick DIY tip. First, check the power source. Make sure the pump is plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. If power isn't the issue, inspect the sump pump for any obvious signs of damage or clogs. Clear any debris around the intake screen and test the float switch to ensure it moves freely. If the float switch is stuck, it might need to be replaced. If you've tried these steps and your sump pump still isn't working, or if you're not comfortable handling the repair yourself, it's time to call in the professionals. Our team of qualified plumbers in Pueblo, Colorado, can diagnose and fix your sump pump issues quickly and efficiently, preventing further damage and keeping your basement dry. Call us today at 161-4739-0141. We'll make sure your sump pump is running smoothly and your home is protected from water damage. That's 161-4739-0141. Don't wait. Call now and let the experts handle it. Thanks for watching. For more plumbing tips, stay tuned.